Okay everyone, we have some amazing jeans on display on our wall, and a lot of people after seeing some of these were asking about a crotch blowout or any repairs, and we have some really cool examples. And imagine, just like anything else, that when you use it enough, you have to maintain it. You have to give it a little bit of love. It's given you a lot of love, now you got to give it in return. I have a couple of really cool examples. This customer, Daniel, he wears these so beautifully. He has amazing fades, but after about a year of wear or so, he starts to get little rips in the yarn. And you can see we've done a repair here where we put denim from the inside, and it's going to be stitched and really secured. So it's going to give this jean a ton of life all over again. There was actual big holes here. Now, these were washed just before we had them come in for a repair. So with a year of wear, they have a really nice patina. And then once it was washed, it brightened it up and set those beautiful patterns in. And then we could do the repairs. And even on the inside, I'll show you so you can see this extra layer of denim now. And this is basically what we call a saddle patch. And it's gonna give, again, a ton of life all over again so that he can keep wearing his jeans. This one's obviously a little more progressed. It looks like it's been washed a handful of times. This is a beautiful one from Naked and Famous. We left a lot of these. The customer wanted a lot of these ones on the thigh left so that you can actually, you gotta be careful when you're putting your foot in there. But then there were some at the knee that were repaired. And again, the same thing. This one's got a really cool look to it. And again, denim put on from the inside and then stitched over so it really secures it. Back pockets, again, we were leaving these alone. But even this jean, after that amount of time, that saddle looks pretty good. There's a little bit of repairs on the seams there. But like anything else, like your car, you got to maintain it or it's going to fall apart, just like your jean. If you have any questions, we'd love to talk more about it. Hit us up with a comment or a question, and we'll hopefully see you soon.